Welcome to iHealth. Right now, recording is Stephanie, Ishani, and Reagan, and we're just going to do a small walkthrough through the website.
Welcome to our home page. This is titled index.html, and right at the top you see Welcome to iHealth. We'll start at the very top of our website. We've implemented some audio, some calming lo-fi music, so you can click on that and listen as you explore our website. Next, we have some buttons listed below the title. First, we'll start with the home button, which we are on now. So, a little bit about our website. Our website is about understanding your personal mental health by connecting you to similar underrepresented groups of people. Check out this website page to navigate the website. So here we have a little slideshow for you. So you can click on the arrows to explore the features of our website. You can see right here. And at the bottom left corner, you might notice that there's a little live chat button. And when you click on that, you can see a live chat by video. And what this does is it helps it make it easier for you to connect with a mental health professional or a therapist. And we are still working on this part. And if you scroll all the way to the bottom, there's this big logo in the background, and that's the parallax. So we worked really hard on that. A lot of JavaScript went into that, but it was super fun. So that is the home page. Moving on to the mental health.
So the mental health, when you click the button, it'll bring you to this website all about what is mental health, talking about it, what to look for, and all this stuff. So yeah, and then we can go back, and then we can move on to the treatment plan.
Okay, so the treatment plan that we've created right here is a place where patients can enter their information with their physician that they've chatted. So go through the basics like name, phone number, then agencies that are also involved with this, then also list problems or symptoms, and also list your medicine and prescriptions. We also add long-term and short-term goals so that you can have a better experience and also get treated faster. And then we have certain dates when these should be completed, and finally some physician notes that your doctor took while examining
you. And then we can go back and we can go to the self-assessment. It's just a little page. It also has the lo-fi music with the menu bar and the sidebar. And it has a little self-assessment form here. And then you can choose whatever applies to you. And then you can submit it. And it says your response has been anonymously submitted. And then we can go back to the home page, and then we can go on to the mobile app, which there was a mobile version of this website, also called iHealth, that I made. Yeah, I'm just gonna, and here's the GitHub repository link if you also have like Xcode or GitHub desktop, you can open that up and like download the code.
So first, since we haven't done anything, we can go to information, we can learn about the app, we can go back. There's also about the website, the purpose of iHealth, and about the creators. Now, if we go back, we can sign up. So I can type in my first name, and then my last name, and then choose whichever ones apply to you. And then we can press get started. It makes you a profile. We can choose an image, but for now I'm not going to. We can go back and it saves your information, then you can sign in. And then we can press next. You can go to the connect button, connect with people or the different communities that apply to you,
And then here's a mental health Discord. And then we can go to mental health. We'll bring you to this. Self-assessment, to that. Treatment plan, all of that. And then learn more is the same as connect, but with more options that you can learn about. And then self-care, we have a find a therapist. I'm just going to search up Calgary 80 to 180. Oh. And then we can press the search button. And then we can always choose next, but for now we're just going to go back. And then we can go to the journal. There's a date range. We're going to choose today, whatever time it is. I can choose I can slide the slidey thing to choose how I'm feeling. I can log whatever. And then we can go back. And then there's the meditations. And then there's all these extra features. And then we can go back, and that is iHealth. So thank you for listening. Yeah, and then we can just go on to the Connect page, and Ishani will tell you about that.
All right, welcome to the Connect feature. This is one of the key features to our website. So let's start off with the LGBTQ plus feature. So here we have a bunch of buttons, as you can see, and at the bottom left, you will again recognize the video live chat, where you can again communicate with a mental health professional or a therapist. Here we have a title saying "Connect to a mental health professional based on your choice." Below is the live chat to communicate with a mental health professional. Text now for emergencies. And we are still working on the JavaScript for the text now emergencies feature. So we're still working on that. But below, again, you'll find the lo-fi music and all of the buttons, including BIPOC organization or BIPOC women and men, Latino organization. Oh yeah, we'll show you the BIPOC project. So that button basically links to the website. And it does that for every other button as well. So it's just basically the same thing for every single button. And again, you'll recognize the Find Mental Health Discord servers. So that button links you to a website where you can search engine basically for Discord mental health website or Discord chat. And if we go back to our site, we see the home button again, and this page is the same if we hover over the connect button again. We click on the LGBTQ option this time, but it's the same for all of the options. So yeah, that's the connect button.
Then we have another button, which is more info. And now we're going to click on the why we create iHealth. So we created this website since during this time of pandemic and with COVID-19, it's hard for people to get access to mental health, to quarantine, social distance. So we decided to make a platform, a safe platform for users to share what they're feeling for a professional to guide them. We create different categories, for example, women of color, so that they can connect with each other on basic experiences. This is a definitely need for this since therapists and other mental health professionals is limited during this pandemic. And then we hit the back to home button, and now we go on to the creators, which explains all about our team. So first up, we have Ishani, the founder of iHealth, who decided we want to make a website to help people with mental health issues, especially during the pandemic. Then we have our lead app developer, Stephanie G, who created the mobile app version. Then I have myself, Reagan D. I'm the lead designer who helped design the website. And then we have Zeina K, the data programmer, who helped with the live chat. And we have Michael G, the lead data programmer, who focused on the data programming aspect of this project. We We have Zoya H, the web developer and creator of the self-assessment aspect. And then finally, we have Ekisha T, who helped create the button so users could get direct access to what they need. And finally, we have the contact button. So this is all basically linked to Contact the STEM League, the organization that we're a part of and which does a coding camp for 6th through 10th graders who want an opportunity to learn about Python, HTML, and CSS. And right here we have their links to their Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. It was just a really fun thing to do with them, so I highly recommend you can join sometime. And we head back to home.
And yeah, that's our app, iHealth. So thanks for listening.
Thank you.
Thank you.